Magandang hapon po ng Monday, June 24, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, June 24, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng June 24, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, June 24, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 55.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 16.5 million pesos for June 24, 2024 Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Monday, June 24, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.